Welcome to Life Redesign Studio. Today we will learn about 9 healthy foods you should eat every week and why they are so incredibly beneficial. I'm sure everyone has heard the saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. If you consume an apple every day, you will certainly provide your body with nutrients, but you won't magically become immune to all illnesses and diseases like the phrase implies. Besides, if your diet consisted entirely of apples, you wouldn't have any substantial sources of protein and healthy fat, and your diet would be severely unbalanced. If you want to boost your overall health, you don't need to search for a single miracle superfood. In fact, there are many powerful foods that you should try to eat as often as possible. They will nourish your body correctly and provide you with ample energy. The following are 9 foods you should attempt to eat each week, at a minimum. 1. Oatmeal. Oats are an amazing source of fiber, which many people don't get enough of. On top of that, they are a whole grain that contains no added sugar. 2. Bananas. Bananas are an incredibly healthy fruit that you can enjoy in many different ways. They are also extremely budget friendly. Bananas contain a high level of vitamin B6, which allows them to reduce swelling, protect against developing type 2 diabetes, aid in weight loss, strengthen the nervous system, and help with production of white blood cells. 3. Cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables are packed with micronutrients that will help your body thrive. Plus, broccoli is an especially powerful vegetable because it contains vitamins A, C, and K, which helps with bone health, as well as folate. It also delivers a healthy dose of sulforaphane, a type of isothianate that is thought to thwart cancer by helping to stimulate the body's detoxifying enzymes. Since broccoli promotes bone health and potentially prevents cancer. 4. Berries. Berries are incredibly powerful due to their high versatility and micronutrient content. They are easy to snack on or add to any meal. 5. Leafy greens. Leafy greens are incredible for your health. Even though they won't instantly give you arms like Popeye, they will promote a long and happy life. In fact, studies show that eating more greens, like spinach, can help you lose weight, reduce your risk of diabetes, keep your brain young, and help fight off cancer. 6. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are one of my personal favorite vegetables, and they also happen to be incredibly healthy. If you have only ever microwaved them, you are missing out big time in terms of flavor. When you bake them in the oven at a high heat, you will achieve optimal flavor and texture. Plus, one medium sweet potato contains almost 4 times the recommended daily value of vitamin A, so it's an easy way to meet the requirement for that nutrient. 7. Nuts. Nuts serve the important purpose of promoting heart health. In fact, they contain healthy polyunsaturated fats and magnesium, which are two key nutrients for heart health. Various nuts have other advantages as well. For example, walnuts support brain function, and Brazil nuts support a healthy prostate. 8. Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts fall into the category of cruciferous vegetables. However, they are powerful enough to be awarded their own spotlight. Brussels sprouts are important to add to your diet to keep your cells healthy. If you don't enjoy the taste of them, I urge you to roast them at 400 degrees Fahrenheit until soft with a drizzle of olive oil and a dash of salt, pepper, and garlic powder. These 4 ingredients may seem insignificant, but they pack in a ton of added flavor. 9. Coffee tea. Studies have revealed some key health benefits linked to the regular consumption of coffee or tea. First off, you could reduce your risk of Alzheimer's, diabetes, and some cancers. You also may develop healthier teeth and gums and stronger bones. The brain and productivity benefits make tea coffee a phenomenal beverage to add to your diet. Final thoughts. When you fill your diet with a wide variety of healthy foods, you nourish your body with a plethora of vitamins and minerals it needs to thrive. Don't rely on a single superfood to drastically improve your health. Instead, add a variety of minimally processed, plant-based foods to your diet. That way, you'll establish a balanced lifestyle, which will ultimately help you live your longest, happiest life. Thank you for watching video. Stay connected with us for more such videos. Connect with us. WhatsApp us on 80804200612. Life Redesign Studio, Tile Institute P Limited.